Hello YouTube, it's just me and Piney hanging out doing some laundry. Thank you for anyone who tuned into my live stream this morning. I apologize for the shaky connection that I had. I'll do better next time. Pretty sure I got it squared away and we're going to have some fantastic feeds. I'm actually going to be staying here for the next 4 days, so I've got lots of time to explore. Given the weather, I thought that was a great idea because I want to make sure that I get to enjoy the place and see everything and get some amazing shots for you, and it's really difficult to do in the rain. Right now, I'm doing my laundry for the very first time in my entire life. I've been married. What are you gonna do? My wife does my laundry and never even think about it. But hey, I had to figure it out, and I think I did. I hear something happening. We'll see if my clothes are clean. So me and Piney are gonna find lots of fun stuff to do today. I'm sure that we're gonna have a lot of adventures and fun, but the first thing is laundry, and the second thing we're gonna do is do some grocery shopping, and hopefully we're gonna get you some awesome visuals as well. So let's see what happens.
So I'm at the dreaded Walmart, and I got some water and those 88-cent utensils, just because the other ones didn't last very well, but where else am I gonna find something? As you can see, I'm wearing my slicker. Pretty dapper. Orange even matches my sweatshirt, which is always nice because you know how much I like to match. Pretty ragged today. After Yankees stream, it got pretty, the rain got pretty heavy, so I don't know. I'm gonna have to find lots of interesting things to do today that aren't at the campsite because it's soaking wet, and the only thing to do there is to either brave it and go out in the wet or sit in the tent. Not really sure I want to sit in the tent. It certainly doesn't make for anything interesting for you to watch. So we're going to try to find things to do today. Look at this, fat guy heaven. Four-pack of beefaroni for less than $4. I mean, how can you go wrong? Who doesn't love beefaroni? Come on now. The chief knows what he's doing. I figure why not try something new? So we're gonna try some Asian sides chicken fried rice, which is awesome. I'm gonna buy some canned chicken and we're gonna toss it in there. See what happens. I'm also getting the steak fajita one. I know I can't buy any canned steak, but you know, beggars can't be choosers. I'd like to see what this tastes like. The big question is the pot that I have even big enough to cook this in? I don't know. We're gonna find out. So we got some trail mix. Probably the most expensive item on the list. Unfortunately, it is what it is. And chicken breast. We'll see if it goes in the chicken fried rice and tastes any good. Man, I would die for some soy packets right about now. But I'm sure they don't sell them. Maybe I'll have to accost a Chinese restaurant and grab a couple. You know what I mean? So I got plenty of food for another 5 or 6 days for less than $16. Not too bad. You guys don't get breaks. You go to work when it's raining, and so do I.
As you can see, look at this. Look at this. It's unbelievable. I don't actually know why I'm having so much fun doing this, but maybe it's because nobody else is out here doing it. I've always been kind of a big fan of the rain, and to me, this is cool. Look at this bush. It's beautiful. Look at those. Freaking beautiful. We got more over here.
So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I did get some outdoorsy stuff in there, and hopefully it was nice. I'm really excited to film this park when the weather's nice, because there are just some amazing things that you just can't capture when it's pouring down rain or the wind is blowing, because I can't talk about it or do anything. So I did the best I could today, and if I'm being honest, I had a lot of fun. I enjoyed being out in the rain. It was a good time. That's going to be it for me today. But this video will drop at 9 o'clock. My live stream should be at 10 o'clock. If you want to come hike with me, there's a $50 Amazon gift card in it for you. All you have to do is watch my live stream or check out my Twitter or Instagram feeds, and they'll tell you where I'm at. That's a good time for me to tell you to follow me on Instagram and Twitter, and subscribe to my channel and click that bell so you know when the live streams are. Have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.